So cute. It's baby Tweedles with her little paw out. And that is Wally snuggling behind her. And over here, we have Hat and Mama. Adorable. And Mousy is actually underneath Tweedles and Wally. They are so cute. So cute. So we have to do weigh-ins tonight, of course. See how much they've grown since yesterday. Tweedles is gonna fall right off. So cute. There's Hat with his brother Wally. Hey Mama. How are you? Me and Mama had a good snuggle session today when her babies were sleeping. I think she enjoyed it. Alright, I'm going to weigh in Tweedles first before she falls right off. Give me your Tweedles. I know. 253. So she's up 11 grams. Good job, Tweedles. Who's gonna be next? Who's gonna be next? How about Mousy? Oh, cute. Do we see Mousy's little tongue sticking out? Let's see if I can get a better angle. There it is. It's a mousy tongue. So cute. All right, Mousy. You're next, you little pudgy girl. $2.79. Little Miss Pudgy. She was, what, $2.79? She was $2.66 last night, so there's 13 grams added on. Oh, Tweedles. I'm going to snatch Wally before he makes his way to the milk bar. Hey, Wallies. Oh, a big yawn from Tweedles. Wally is weighing in at 248. He was 237 last night. Good gain so far. Oh, hi, Mama. Are you talking? Are you talking? Are you snuggling Tweedles? Yeah. So cute. You don't have any eyeballs yet, but they're definitely sleepy hat. Sleepy boy hat. 254. 254. He was 246 last night. Good games from everyone, as always. Oh, another yawn from Tweedles. They're all going for the milk bar. I woke them all up. Where are you going, Hat? Here. There you go. Oh, are you gonna bite your brother's ear instead? You're so cute. You're so cute, Mr. Hat. You're so cute. Look at Mousie's feet. Oh, too cute. Mousie's in there somewhere. There's Tweedles. Hey, Tweedles. How are you? You sleepy girl? Are you a sleepy girl? Yeah? Oh yeah, bite your hand. Bite it real good. Belly rubs for Tweedles. So cute. Oh, there's Mousie. Hey, Mouse. What are you doing? You guys are so silly. You guys are so silly. You and your belly, Tweedles. You and your cute little belly. Oh, yeah. Oh, now you're showing us your tongue, too? That's cute. Oh, belly scritches. You're such a delight. You are such a delight, Miss Tweedles. Yes, you are. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. Little face rubs for little babies. So cute. The other three are on the milk bar. And Tweedles has her tummy up. She loves her having her tummy up. Don't you? Oh, that feels so good. Oh, it's so good. You guys are adorable. Where you going, Mouse? He's gonna lay right on top of Tweedles. Get off me, she says. Hi, Mouse. Here. There you go. Oh, you guys are cute. So cute. You and your belly. You want to show your belly too, Mousy? Let's show your belly. Oh, that's a cute little belly. And a cute little tongue. You're so cute, little Mousy. Pudgy girl. Pudgy girl. Yeah, Doug. This is Doug's sponsor, Kitty Mousy. Oh, so cute. Here's Wally with his short little kinked tail. Tweedles, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, those are some good biscuits, Wally. Very good biscuits. Mousy's the biggest. Aren't you, Mouse? You're the biggest. Mousy's the biggest. Oh, I know. You're Mousy. Here you go, Mouse. Where are you going? Mommy's over here if you want to snuggle with Mama. What are you doing, Tweedles? You're funny. Oh, you're kicking. Mousy and Mommy. Where are you going, Mouse? Where are you going? Oh. Come on. You're silly. You're silly mouse. Where you going? Where are you going? What are you doing? Oh, here you go. So cute. You're so cute, Mama. Yes, you are. Oh, yeah, feels so good. Hey, Mama. Hey, pretty girl. Alright, everyone, I'm going to end the Periscope for tonight. Once they get moving a little bit more, I'm sure I will be live for longer. But when they're so little, it's just all cuteness. So we'll see everybody tomorrow night, 8 o'clock Kitten Standard Time. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a good night.